Hello traders, let's take a look at the current market conditions. I'm using the Sonic system. I'm going to forward it to the current trade, and we see here that the previous few signals were long. So in doing so, what we like to look at is whether or not, and this is the Nasdaq, we have an opportunity to buy the market. I don't want to chase it, so I'm going to switch over to the E-mini S&P to see if we have a different example. So this is, leading me up to the target. I'm not going to chase it. If it comes back down, that would be an opportunity to be a buyer. So let me go to the E-mini S&P, and we can see very similar. We've had 1, 2, 3 long signals. This is also hitting the target or coming very close to it. And so what I want to do is I want to wait for the next signal. I don't want to retake this. All right, they hit the target, so we're going to wait for the next signal here. And this is on the E-mini. I'll switch this back to the Nasdaq. We have a lot of traders who are trading the Nasdaq as well, or the mini Nasdaq, or the mini, or the micro. And so you can see here, this is also hit the target. So we're going to wait for the next signal. My settings on this, for those of you who want to see, for transparency, the settings I have on the Sonic are going to be take profit at about 1 times the ATR, just under 0.9. The stop loss is 5 ticks below the actual signal that was generated. So wait for the next signal here. Everyone, here's a long opportunity. This is a long trade using the Sonic system. I'm going to go here and enter long before it runs away from me.
Order filled.
All right, guys, so here is a beautiful long opportunity. I'm going to adjust my target, and
Target filled.
I didn't have a chance to adjust the target the way that I wanted to, but this would be the long trade on the Nasdaq. I wasn't fast enough as I was trying to record and explain to you this video, but this would have been a much better profit target than just the 20 ticks I think I got on it. I should have gotten more out of the trade. Hit the target. Okay. All right, guys, so this is a great example of the Nasdaq. Let me take a look at the E-mini S&P. And we can see where it's at. So this was a long trade on the E-mini S&P, and it didn't reach it yet. So you know what? I'm going to go long here on the E-mini S&P, because since it hit the target,
Order filled.
and I have a huge target here to make, and that. Okay, so long on and the market retraced a little bit, so I got in a better price. I'm going over this trade here with you since the Nasdaq, I didn't adjust the targets based on the ATM strategy, which only had it, I think, set to 20 tick target. It immediately hit the target. I was trying to move the stop first, right, properly. I try to adjust the stop first. So here we are in the E-mini S&P. So let me see if I can make some money out of this trade too. All right, everyone. I just want to mention a few things here as it comes. Do you see how it tried to hit the target once and then it tried to hit the target a second time? Typically, when I see that, it means that there may be some resistance. It may be hard for it to target. So when it tries to go up a third time, this is almost indicating that there's some type of wall here happening. I would prefer to get out of the trade and lock in my profit. That is just me personally. I think that's a smart way to go about it. So if this is the case, you move this here and you would move it in order to force a fill. And do you see how it tried a third time to go into the same exact price, but it's having a difficult time pushing through it? This is where, as a trader, we have to manage our trades and be smart about it. So I want to make sure.
Target filled.
All right, the target is hit. Sorry, I forgot to add this here. Let me add the text and marker here. So you can see here where the entry was. and where the exit was. And so remember, part of trade management is seeing that here's my target, it's just missing it, and it seems as if it's having a difficult time. Now, I may get up there, I don't know, but this is what I do, and this is what we want you to learn as a trader, to be smart about it. You don't have to hold out and be greedy for a few ticks. It's not worth it. There's so much money to be made here. From here to here, it's 4.5 points. Let me just change that to currency, and that is $225 per contract. So I only had one contract here. If you have 5 contracts, it's well over $1,000. And that way you're able to manage it. You see, the market is still having a hard time going through it. This is just smart. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com. This is the Sonic trading system. Get a free member account. We have some free trials available for a limited time. Give us a call. Send us an email. We're here to help you. daytradetowin.com. Until next time, good trading. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.